What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our video. And today, I have right here. Yep, I have right here. It's crazy. And I actually have my brother, Beach Boys, filming over here. Let's go check them out behind the scenes. Beach Boys. Vlogception. Now that's gonna go on for Anchor. I'm trying to tip you guys out while watch. Does not see you anymore. Yo, Vlogception. And I'm just gonna go like on a I haven't posted it in a long time. I'm posting damn hiccups. So annoying. I hate it. Let's go. So, okay, I do have pants on. Most people that vlog do actually not have pants on. And I just wanted to shout out real quick. Big shout out to you, Imagine Dragons. Your songs are awesome. I love your band as well. That's awesome. So I know I haven't posted in a while because I've been really busy with like family stuff and stuff. So I'm gonna back to posting, and I will update you guys. I even guys ever knew this. I will have a dog. I think you've seen it on my brother's channel, Beach Boys. So I'm gonna say you. Her name it's a girl, and her name is Gucci, like Gucci Mane, and she's very cute. She's a Yorkie teacup. She is, I think, 2 years old, something like that, 2 or 3. I don't really keep track. So we're just gonna go check her out. Guys, see you when it's there. Got her. She's right here. Is that Gooch? Stop it. Can you move? Yes, Gucci. Can I have room? Eyes. Gucci. Gucci. Oh, there she is. There she goes. Hey, Gooch. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Yes. Like the camera? Yeah, but she's a little shy. But, so I guess that'll be it for today, guys. Hope you like the new editing tool I'm going to use. Pretty cool. I'm going to have some music in the background. So, peace, like, subscribe. I'm trying to get this video up to 5 likes this video. If you can do that, I will show you a trick with my dog. Bye.